Since 1997, the CliniMACS cell separation system has been proven for developing and establishing cellular therapies worldwide. Today, the CliniMACS Prodigy brings this trusted technology together with a new range of sensor-controlled cell processing capabilities, giving you complete manufacturing workflows from cell preparation to final product. The Prodigy automates and standardizes the complete manufacturing process of cellular products. At its core is the Sentry Cult Unit, which enables complex processing and cultivation within a disposable chamber. Fully integrated centrifugation takes place with camera-controlled layer detection for cell washing, buffer exchange, and cell concentration procedures. This standardization ensures reproducible manufacturing every time. The Prodigy eliminates the need for highly specialized handling of different appliances, greatly reducing user-to-user variability and error. The Prodigy integrates all of the required manufacturing steps into one closed sensor-controlled system. And fewer manual steps, together with fewer cleanroom requirements, is essential to cost-efficient cellular product manufacturing. Features like the disposable tubing sets and sterile connecting ports for GMP reagents and media also ensure the highest safety. Our flexible programming suite allows full customization, empowering you to translate ideas into GMP-compliant cellular products. Let Milteney Biotech help you master the complexity of cell processing. Learn more about the CliniMACS Prodigy today and visit clinimax-prodigy.com.